Pacific. Hi guys, super traffic in Skyway going to Makati.
TV.
See?
Mami, pia sa TV. Mami na.
Si Mother, daagan ko si Mother.
Kuya, just like the... Kuya, see?
Here in the Skyway, Makati, in the airport. Nami sa taas
Runway
sa tulay.
na. Yes, runway.
Runway.
Take up
Runway.
the runway.
Yeah, very good kuya. Take up the runway.
It's not plane crash.
No,
It's not a
not
plane
plane crash.
So what's that? It's a private airplane.
No, there's also a private airplane.
Skyway is
What's
heavy
that?
traffic.
Private airplane.
Matanaw mo yung mga building sa Manila,
Private
Makati, ang
airplane.
Taguig.
Cool.
Yes, correct.
Happy sila, Kuya and Bobby, kasi nakita nila yung mga airplane sa airport. I'm here in Naiya 3 between Naiya 4, Naiya 1
Mami,
and 2.
magpicture ko, Mami. Bad in a picture. Air Asian, what's that, Mommy?
Air Asia.
Kato sa
Cebu
cellphone
Pacific,
ako.
what's that, Mommy?
Air Asia.
And what's that, Mommy?
Philippine Airlines.
And
Cebu Pacific.
Roo. We're going to
Where are you going? Where are you going, Kuya? Makati
We're going to
City.
Makati City.
You're going, Uncle Dodong.
We're going to